Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change language on Webtoon. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Webtoon application on my mobile phone, and if you want to change language on Webtoon, we need to go to the language setting. So here we can go to the more option and then select the settings. All right, and you're going to choose the content language, and you can read the information here. Choose your content language. Many series are only available in specific languages. Okay, and as you can see guys that I'm using English language now, so these series which appear on my Webtoon are these series with English language. Let me show you. Okay, as you can see that these series here are in English. All right, and then I'm going to change my language. So I'm going to go to the content language and I'm going to change it, for example, to Indonesia. And after I change the language to Indonesia, these series which are in my Webtoon are these series from Indonesia. I mean, these series with Indonesian language. Okay, as you can see that the language is in Indonesia. And let me change it to, for example, to Chinese. Okay, and these are the series with Chinese language. Okay, and then I'm going to go back. I hope that I can get back the English language. Okay, and now my Webtoon is in English again. Okay, so guys, just remember that changing a language will also change the series that will appear on your Webtoon, because the series depends on the language you apply to your Webtoon. Okay guys, and that's all the way to change language on Webtoon. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!